Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. Students, today we will discuss the new chapter, that is chapter 2, the polynomial, and the first part, the introduction of the polynomial. In polynomials, we will discuss the things like the concept, that is first is the polynomial, and then variable, and third one is the term, then four algebraic expressions, and then algebraic equations, then polynomial in one variable, then constant polynomial, then zero polynomial, that is the coefficient, number 9, and 10 we will discuss monomials, 11 that is binomials, and 12 that is trinomials, and 13 the degree of polynomials, and the 14 the power of variable, that means it must be the positive integers, and 15 quadratic, cubic, and nth degree polynomials, and 16 the degree of zero polynomial, and 17 is zero of polynomial, that means roots, that is a standard form, and then 18 remainder theorem, then 19 we will discuss the factorization, that means quadratic polynomial, and then 20 that is factorization of cubic polynomials, and that the last one, the 21, is the algebraic identities. We will discuss it one by one. The first, today we will discuss only the polynomial, and the rest of concept we will discuss the next session. See, the first one is the polynomial. What is polynomial? Basically that is that is the combination of the poly, that is multi-term, and that is nomial, that is term. Any algebraic expressions which has more than one or more than equal to one term, that is called polynomial. You have heard about that is polyclinic, polytechnic, where a lot of technique has been studied, that is called polytechnics, and that is polyclinic. There are more than one disease tests, that is polyclinic. See, the same type of the thing, this is polynomial in mathematical term. See, if I write this is 2x plus 1, that is called a polynomial, that is polynomial. It has more than equal to one term. Before the discuss the term, we will discuss one by one, that is the term. Right, if two or more than two terms, more than two number, I will call it numbers, whether it is a variable or a constant, or a variable or a constant, are differ, separated, added, differ or added, then the terms which are separated by the sign plus or minus, we will call it the number which are separated by plus or minus sign, that is called term. Like if I write this is 2 plus 3, so that is basically it is equal to 5, but it is here there are two terms, that is 2 is first term, 3 is second term. And if we write 1 minus 2, so again this is 2 term, 1 minus 2. If I write it in terms of variable, this is x plus 1, so then x and 1, there are two numbers which is the sign between them, x and 1 is plus, that is 2 term, that is first term and second term. If I write this is 2x minus 1, so there are also 2 term, that is 2x and 1, there are 2 term. If I write example, this is minus x plus 100, again there are 2 term, that is the 1 number, and it is the second number, and separated by plus, this is 2 term, and so so this is, if I write this is x plus 1 plus x squared, so there are three terms. So this is one term, two term, and three terms. So basically, if any numbers which can be written in the form of more than equal to one term, that is called polynomial. And we will discuss in next session, so that is the algebraic expression, then equations, and with variables. Thank you, students. Thank you.